Welcome you all. In this video we are going to discuss about how to run one-way ANOVA with post hoc tests. So here we have 720 sample respondents which is collected from the employees of private and public sector. So here we want to check, is there any difference between designations and total stress score. So we have different stress related factors. So here we have a total stress score. If the score is less, stress is less. If score is high, stress also high. So this is the total score of stress. So here we have a variables, different variables. Now we are going to analyze using ANOVA. Is there any mean difference between designation, that is different category of designation like manager, assistant manager, officer and clerk, with the total score of stress. Go to analyze, select compare means, click one way ANOVA. So here our dependent variable is level of stress, move here. Then independent variable is designation, it's a categorical variable, move to the factor. Now descriptive and homogeneity of variance, then Welk test, then click continue, then press OK. So here we have descriptive statistics, test of homogeneity of variance and ANOVA. The descriptive statistics shows that number of samples in different category, mean and standard deviation, standard error. So the mean shows that 88.04 to the manager, 81.34 to the assistant manager, 76.43 officer, 72.07 for clerk category. So 120 respondents in manager, assistant manager 120, officer 240, clerk 240. These also unequal. So here come to the test of homogeneity of variance using Levin's test. So the Levin's statistics shows that all the category based on a mean, based on a median, based on median and with adjusted DF, so based on trimmed mean, the level of significance is less than 0.01. So we conclude that there is a absence of homogeneity of variance. So this shows that the variance are not equally distributed. So come to ANOVA. So the significance level is 0.000. So it shows that there is significant difference between the groups. The F value is 111.858. So Rob's test of equality of means, Welk test also shows that significance value less than 0.05 is those that there is no homogeneity of variance among the groups. So now we want to calculate, or we want to find difference between the groups. For that purpose we are applying post hoc tests. Go to analyze, click compare means, then only ANOVA. Now we want to find out post hoc tests, that is difference between the groups. Click post hoc. So here we have two type of post hoc tests: equal variance assumed, equal variance not assumed. As far as our test is concerned, equal variance not assumed, because the Levin's test and Welk test shows that there is no equality between the variables. So we want to select equal variance not assumed. So in the post hoc tests Games-Howell test is one of the best test for equal variance not assumed. So tick Games-Howell test, then continue and click OK. We have a result. So the Games-Howell's post-hoc test shows that difference between manager and assistant manager, difference between manager and officer, difference between manager and clerk is significant. Also, you can take assistant manager to manager, officer and clerk, also significant. So in all the category there is a significant difference between each. So the Games-Howell test shows that all categories of employees having difference among the stress level. So we can see this with the help of plots. Mean plot, go to one-way ANOVA, select options, tick mean plot, then click OK. So here we have a mean plot. So those sets, managers are having high mean score in stress level. The next is assistant manager. Then compared to manager and assistant manager, officers are having less stress. Compared to these three groups, clerks are having less stress. So the mean score is less to the clerks and stress mean score is high in the managers category. So this is one of the best way to find out difference among the groups using post hoc test. Games-Howell's post hoc multi-comparison test is one of the best test for equal variance not assumed data.